Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
It's the eve of the start of the winter tourist season in Jamaica, a little over 2 years since COVID-19 upended the sector. So how have stakeholders been bouncing back?
Kalisha Williams has part one of a two-part feature looking at tourism recovery in the resort town of Ocho Rios.
A brand new hotel in Ocho Rios, St. Anne for the new winter tourist season. When the pandemic hit in 2020, construction on the Sago Palm Hotel came to a halt.
When we started to go back, we ordering things and shipping things in, and it took, I know a particular shipment that I had took about maybe 9 months, 10 months to get to us. Yeah, so it was painful.
It was hoped that the resort would have been opened in 2021. So now the operators are working overtime to get the resort ready for a January 2023 opening. We were told it's one of the best months for tourism during the winter season.
We are going to be very busy. Yeah, we have a lot of, we already have like a few weddings that are booked for next year already. So we already have like people, but we're unable to give them like actual dates, but we have people that have committed to, you know, international. Yeah.
While hotels look forward to an active season, some small business operators are still reflecting on the height of the pandemic when, according to them, business was better. Anthony Henry is the owner of Splash Time Water Sports.
We did more, we see more crowd, but now the place free up, there are more option. Then can go all over, so it's not like then. So if they want to lock it back down, so we get more business and can lock it back down, I agree with you.
Mr. Henry stressed that during the peak of the pandemic, when flights were grounded, there was an influx of locals looking for an escape, so he had lots of excursions at sea. And so far, the winter season is not what he's hoped it would be.
It's a pickup, slowly but surely. I know it's a COVID mash up a lot of people, and a lot of people couldn't find money. A lot of people still have bounce back money. So it's not as fluffy or blooming like it used to be a couple years ago. But it's getting here slowly but surely, one step. It's like I said, we're starting over again.
And even as he spoke to us, a cruise ship arrived at the Ocho Rios Pier, a welcomed sign that things could change for Mr. Henry, but more so for the tour guides who would take the visitors to him, with some coming from as far as Falmouth.
It is not looking too bad so far. We have tomorrow coming up, we have one of the largest ships in the world, that's the Wonders of the Seas, will be coming to Falmouth. Next week, about 4 days, we will be having ships in Falmouth, so it's not looking too bad.
However, for the first vice president of Juta Ocho Rios, Marva Shaw, it will take some time for transport operations within the tourism industry to fully recover.
Because of the impact that it had on us, it's really slow, and I think it will take us maybe another year or more to fully recover, if ever.
That aside, chairperson of the Ocho Rios Runaway Bay chapter of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Vanna Taylor, believes things will take a positive turn in the tourism mecca over the next few weeks.
The minister and the agencies of government and also the GHT, we all want to see everybody partake of the pie. It will be much better for us in every way.
But is everyone really getting a piece of that pie? Tomorrow we'll hear from business operators who believe they're being left out of the winter tourist rush. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.